how did you manage to explain what DevRel is to some of your neighbors, friends, relatives? And this is a honest question because I'm here for the answer because I tried a couple of times and I absolutely failed. So, who would like to try this one and help me with this definition?
I mean, this is a funny question to me because I don't even try. I usually just say I work at a tech company or I'm a technologist. Sometimes I say I'm a software engineer, which is true. And then if I want to go into like a bit more detail, I'd say, oh, it's a mix of software development and product and marketing. And people are like, okay, that I kind of understand it. So that's about it. But for developers, I like to say that developer advocates are like APIs between companies and developers, but that's only for developers.
Yes. Before we go with the next question, I would like to give my own experience in this. So usually I just say do what YK does, but for my mom, like I try to a bit more in details because maybe she's interested in what I do. So I try to explain different things like developer relations, developer advocate does this, and that. So she has been thinking, and then she said, okay, so it's basically a person who gives like flyers to developers. So this has been my mother definition. This is what she got from definition from developer relations. So if I ever write a book about developer relations, it will start with this my own definition given by my mom.
Well, I have a suggestion for you. Maybe you can try this. So think of a kitchen equipment company. And this is not just an ordinary kitchen equipment company. It's for professional chefs. And a developer advocate is like a chef advocate. You're there as a professional chef, trying your products, giving feedback on like, is this knife good? Is this cutting board good? Stuff like that. That's who you are. You're there to represent a specific profession, in this case, chefs or developers, whatever that might be. That's kind of how I would put it.
Perfect. I'll probably use this in the next upcoming barbecue at my house that will happen in a couple of weeks. And then I'm thinking about switching my career to chef advocate because honestly, it sounds very good.
I actually got cornered one time. I don't get asked this question a lot, but there was one time that my dad asked me because he saw some of our events with Francesco and he said like, what exactly is developer advocate? And I gave an explanation quite similar to what Nicolas said. He said, there's some products could be complex for the end user and you need someone to mediate and explain the complexity and help them win and become successful in the product. And then my dad goes, so if the product is complex, it's probably not good, right? Because the best products are quite simple. So if you need a developer advocate, your product is not good. And I'm like, wait a second, let's go back to the beginning. And we started this loop that was very, very difficult to get out of.